Laurence, one thing we'd like to know is about the marketplace, but what's the journey been like for NCMT in 2017?
We actually recorded a record year last year in the history of the company, Mark. So the company was created or born in 1964, so 53 years of business, and last year was our record year, so quite a significant jump from 2016 actually, which was a little bit against some of the market trends and some of the news we saw. A lot of it was aerospace based. Frankly, our biggest market is the aerospace market. We have a portfolio of machines which are very well suited to aerospace products, and as everybody knows, the aerospace market is very buoyant at the moment. So we had a great year last year. We're having a very good year this year. Hopefully, some of the other market areas, oil and gas, are starting to see some recovery as well. So I think the future looks pretty good going forward. We also made some inroads with further new technologies, particularly in the cutting of gears on our Multus range, which we see as a significant area of new market for us. New means and new ways of cutting gears from the traditional means in the past.
And also last MACH 2016, you really pushed the Makino EDMs. Is that a big focus for 2018?
Yes, we've gone back into the EDM business with Makino. It's always been there for us, but we decided 2 years ago to really put some investment into that product. We bought a lot of stock machines. We've hired experts in terms of sales applications, and our sales have actually exceeded our expectations. So we'll have 2 EDM machines at the MACH show this year, a sinker and a wire machine, and that's a real area of growth for the company.
So you see 2018 being as strong as 2017?
I do at the moment, yeah. Hopefully, fingers crossed. Even with Brexit looming in the background, we're fairly confident that the market looks pretty good for at least another couple of years.
Well, good luck. Thanks very much, Laurence.
Thanks, Mark.